Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Canva video editor to export square and vertical formats. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your Canva dashboard. Locate the video project you want to edit. Click on the project to open it in the Canva video editor. Once the editor is open, look for the resize option on the top left corner. Click on the resize button to access the available formats. Choose square for a 1:1 aspect ratio or vertical for a 9:16 aspect ratio. After selecting your desired format, click on Copy and Resize. This will create a new project in the selected format while keeping your original project intact. Review the resized video to ensure all elements are properly adjusted. You may need to reposition or resize some content to fit the new format. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments, proceed to export your video. Click on the Share button at the top right corner. Select the Download option from the drop-down menu. In the download settings, choose your preferred video format. Then, click the Download button to export your video. Your video will begin downloading in the new square or vertical format. Once the download is complete, you can find your video in your designated Downloads folder. You have successfully updated your Canva video editor to export videos in square and vertical formats. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.